Hey, wake up. Come on. Mom said lunch is almost ready. What? Lunch? No way. I woke up and felt terrible. My head hurt. My mouth was dry, and I didn't understand where I was. I opened my eyes slowly and saw the sunlight coming through the window. I can't believe it's already lunchtime. Oh God, my head. Donald, you don't remember anything, right? No, I tried to remember last night, but my mind was completely empty. I stayed in bed and closed my eyes again because everything was spinning. What happened yesterday? Please tell me, brother. Okay, listen carefully. Yesterday, you went to a party after work. You said it was just a small work party, nothing crazy. But later, you stopped answering your phone, and mom got worried. She asked me to go look for you because it was already very late. Oh no, that already sounds bad. Damn, I don't remember. Yeah, I arrived at the party around midnight, and the first thing I saw was you. Oh my god. You were dancing on a table, shouting song lyrics that didn't even make sense. You spilled your drink on yourself and you didn't care at all. I danced on a table? Seriously? I don't. What? Yes, you laughed loudly. You hugged random people and you told everyone you loved them. Everyone. You told the same joke 5 times and everyone pretended to laugh. What? But I don't know any jokes. How's that possible? Well, yesterday you thought you were the funniest person at the party. And that's not all. Then you drank another beer. And after that, you drank something stronger. I don't know what was that. You said you felt great, but you couldn't even stand straight. You tried to talk, you fell, and you almost hit your head. Fortunately, I was there to catch you before you fell. Oh no, This is painful to hear. God, wait, it gets worse. You went outside for fresh air. You were walking and you vomited next to a car. You apologized to the car like it was a person. You were crazy. You sat on the sidewalk and you said you wanted to sleep right there. And you were about to do it. You started lying on the street. Please tell me you stopped me. I didn't do it, right? Of course I did. I wasn't going to let you do something like that. I picked you up. I helped you stand. And I called a taxi. You argued with the taxi driver. You asked him deep life questions. And you sang the entire ride home. You sing horribly. I can't believe this. That part was from my job. Damn. Tell me something. I embarrassed myself, right? Well, Donald, you talked a lot about your job. You complained, you shouted, and you said you hated your boss. And your boss was there looking at everything you were doing, bro. Then, in front of everyone, you said you quit your job. What? No, that's not possible. You're lying. I'm not lying. I was there when you said that. It was horrible. No, please, no. I don't remember anything. Damn. Yeah, you stood up, you raised your glass, and you said, I quit. I'm done with this job. Everyone got very quiet. Oh no, I ruined everything, didn't I? Honestly, I don't know. Some people looked shocked. Some people laughed, and some people clapped. But one thing is clear: you drank too much and you lost control. Yeah, I know. I learned a lesson yesterday. I drank, I acted stupid, and I don't remember anything. That's not funny anymore. What am I gonna do? Exactly. Last night taught you. something important. Drinking is not the problem. Drinking until you forget who you are is the problem. You're right. I woke up with a headache. I felt ashamed and I realized I need to be more careful. No more nights like this. Good. Now get up. You embarrassed yourself yesterday. But today, you can start fixing things. I know you can do it. Thank you for trusting me. This will never happen again. I promise.